And welcome to the Buck Stops Here weekend edition. I'm Ankita Mukherjee. As Narendra Modi projects his Gujarat growth model across the country, some food for thought for the Chief Minister. A report that says every third child in his state is hungry. A report that's given fresh ammunition to Modi's detractors. But we're asking tonight, is it dangerous to politicize a critical issue like malnutrition? Well, the big story tonight, the Comptroller and Auditor General has criticised the working of the Integrated Child Development Scheme, the ICDS in Gujarat, which is aimed at fighting malnutrition among children. The report says every third child in the state is underweight. It also highlights the lack of basic amenities, buildings, safe drinking water and toilets in Anganwadi centres in the state. Not surprisingly, the report has sparked off a huge political battle. Rohit Bhan reports.
1 in 3 children in Gujarat is underweight, an embarrassing CAG finding for the BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate and Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. While auditing the general and social sectors for the year ended March 2012, the CAG report, now tabled in the State Assembly, says, though there were 223.16 lakh eligible beneficiaries under Supplementary Nutrition Program of the Integrated Child Development Scheme or the ICDS, over 63 lakh beneficiaries were left out. As against the target of 300 nutrition days annually, shortfall in providing supplementary nutrition was up to 96 days. Shortfall of 27 to 48% was noticed in the implementation of nutrition program for adults and girls. The report further states that a population of 1.87 crore was deprived of the benefits of ICDS as against the requirements of 75,000 Anganwadi centers, only over 52,000 were sanctioned. This report also highlights the lack of basic amenities like building, safe drinking water and toilets in 9 to 40% of Anganwadis in 8 test check districts. Although the CAG cites the Modi government's own reports, the BJP amidst Modi's national campaign claims it's now improved.
गुजरात सरकार अगर 70% के कुपोषण को घटाकर 7 साल में 25% ले आती है और दिल्ली की शीला दीक्षित की सरकार 52% से घटाकर लगभग 50% पर ले आती है 7 साल में, क्या केरला, क्या राजस्थान, क्या आंध्र प्रदेश, क्या हरियाणा, सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र को छोड़कर कांग्रेस के बाकी राज्यों की हालत बहुत ही खराब है और गुजरात का तो रिकॉर्ड आउटस्टैंडिंग है.
With the Chief Minister trying to hard sell his Gujarat growth story across the country and the world, the CAG report has given the opposition fresh ammunition to take Modi government head on.
The people are actually suffering. They are not getting any amenities. They are not getting any facilities from the government. His development agenda is completely farce. He is quoting wrong facts.
This is not for the first time that Gujarat's track record on the human development indices have come under scrutiny. But the latest report is raising the political temperatures as Narendra Modi continues to sell brand Gujarat nationally. In Ahmedabad, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.
Well, joining us tonight on that big discussion, Gujarat BJP leader Jai Narayan Vyas, Rita Bahuguna Joshi, spokesperson for the Congress. Also joining us tonight, Harsh Mandar, writer, activist. He's been Special Commissioner to the Supreme Court of India in the Right to Food case and is someone who follows or tracks the issue of malnutrition very, very closely. But Rita Bahuguna Joshi, let me come to you first. Why are you calling this a setback for Narendra Modi when Gujarat is not the only state that's been found wanting by this report?
But you see, the BJP doesn't tire out talking about the Gujarat model. And they talk so highly about what has been done in Gujarat. Now, Gujarat has always been a very prosperous state. And if in a prosperous state, 41% children are underweight, and if 54%, 58% women are anemic, then a lot that this government has to answer for. And if the ICDS program, sponsored by the central government, if 1 crore 83 lakh children are out of the net, they are not being benefited by the ICDS, then the government has to talk and has to give an answer. Now they talk about the model. We go further. talking about the HDR, Human Development Rate. Now the average development rate in the country is 20%. And what is the average human development rate in Gujarat? It's only 11%. So what model are they talking about? Talking about literacy. In literacy, there are 21st. Gujarat is 21st, comes on at number 21. That is where it's ranked in literacy. And in health, it is rated at 12th rank. So you see, these people, they talk about a model which is absolutely hopeless. A population of less than 7 crores. And less than 7 crores, mind you. And 7.7 lakh uneducated registered with the employment exchange. So what model? They are buying electricity from a private company, which is a Chinese company, and the highest rate that they bought was
Okay,
at
let's just
21. Once a minute. They bought it at 21, 26 rupees a unit.